The driver is taking forever. They're telling me for 8 minutes. Where's my baby's car? Ready? I think I'm going to have there.
Mu mawulire ge tulinawo akatambi k'amakona kamaze ne kafuluma fantastic lwakuba nti ekirungi akatambi si ka buseegu omuwala yavuddeyo na complaining ng'agamba nti makona yamukwata. The question is, watuuka otya mu nju y'amakona? Wabaawo ebibuuzo ebyebuuzibwa. Bade ekyobola bino mbigamba abantu abali nnyo mu limelight, mu abantu abalinamu kumanya. Bannange abakazi abasinga bajje wammwe bajja nga balina ebigendererwa. Kakati nze nebuuza omuntu wojjire wanga ate notandika kundikodinga. What is your main purpose? Obeera otegeeza ki nze kyobola bwojje wange simu evaako nkubuulira. Yena kukubira ng'otuuse wange olina mukubira nkeera. Your phone has to be off nga nze njiyina mu nsawo yange. I'm telling you. Kati bambira ba musajja watu makona. Musajja talina tabu na muntu yenna. Yekolera mulimu gwe kusanyuka TV. Atalina any problem na muntu yenna. Kati labayo. Omukazi ozze omulikodinze munnaye gwe owulya kyekikuwa essanyu. Ono ye mukazi y'omu yavuddeyo n'agamba mbu makona yamukwata. Ne ggwe bw'obanga oli wiringiri bannaye bakazi mmwe. Bw'obanga togenda kuwaako musajja lwaki ogenda ewuwe? That is my concern. Lwaki ogenda ewuwe nga togenda kumuwaako? Nze kyovola bannabagamba abakazi tebabaagala, abakazi enjala ebeebaluma. Nze omukazi okuŋŋamba nti onjagala olina kuba mugagga awo nkakasa. Naye omukazi omwava jjewo ng'enjala emuluma ng'amanyi agenda kulya kute akwekyangireko. So choose wisely.
Okay. Yeah, musajja watu after coming, he slept.
Katonda wange.
I let him be. Now and he did the fucking. Because I had no option at the moment. Nagezaako kulwana nga sisobola. I tried my best. I even told him, I don't want this. Nangamba baby now. You know how someone really wanted to. And then after coming, he slept off and it was still raining. Ngamkazi watu niza kwede zindese, my friend gave me the money. You get? So yes, I slept there because it was raining. So it got me thinking. But me, I was okay, but I'm like, anyway, he's not HIV positive. And I can go look for, something, an emergency pill and take it and let myself be. Because my main intention was, she was really struggling. In the morning, I had to go and pick my daughter. To take daycare because he told me he was saying young man is going to take care of all the children. And he had also promised he was also going to pay for the daycare treatment. And was a singer message
basuubiza heaven and earth ne kastala bawofuse
the man in the morning acted dry nandaga nti we all wanted the thing nangamba tewawaddewo kyamaanyi Jojo you are not tukyagala I thought you wanted it nemugamba my friend I was here asking I was even crying literally crying Nemugamba anyway that's not my problem. My problem is once we again a percentage of man as Amat. Where is the money? Okay, where is the money?
The sentences and they say.
I remember I took that video, I recorded him because I didn't have any other way I could do that. Because Narawanti, the way he was looking like Naindo was again the Zimpa that morning. So I had to take a recording and recording. By then he was his coat to go to work. Era ni coat jayambala kumande nine chifananyi che nina video nga simula coat ejagendo mazima if he thinks he's lying that I didn't go to his home or
no one is thinking
obudde bucha in the morning ayagala mwafuluma mwembi yakulekayo
I had to go and pick the baby from the school ne mugamba mpasente z'omwana nkole kingende mukimi. So then he's like I'm going to send the video yasoka nantunuira like he was yali asimone quote nasoka nantunuira nasirika. So me I kept the recording ne mugamba if you do not want it is okay what you've done it's fine sina gwengendo chigamba. Let me just go look for the emergency money's appeal. because
Yeah.
it has protection, you get. The good thing to cheat or murad. Me just send me the emergency listen to someone as I'm good to go. So I left him ngasimula koti ye na endingira video ngasimula koti ye. Nenkola chi nentambula nenve nenkola chi nengenda. Sika na ku TikTok. Get me on TikTok, like my what now following is actually my followers. I'm followers bangi. Yandagiriye uwe koma mboga. That's where he stays around that side of the town. That's where he stays. Na 2K uwe nensanga na ina wine yada wine bottle. Na later we sat. I met him. He was some nice guy.
Olimba lindako. According to Embozi ono omuwala je yampandikidde. Banyumyanga ne Makona nga chaliwe nga be hai bichi olusi Makona nga amusulayo obugambo. Omuwala oyo alina omwana nakeera namubuuza oyina pulaani ki omuwala oyo namugamba ngenda waka ewa at my mom's place. Makona namubuuza kukola ki omuwala namugamba njagala maama ampeeyo kasente kubanga sirina mata gaki ga mwana. Makona namugamba togenda nenda kukola ki kugagula. Owulira ko muwala okay ne banyumya Makona namugamba amata jangu gano newange ekkoma mboga
olira
namulagira
Laudi yenga abeera wa?
I stay in Kisasi.
Kisaasi namulagirira
Ekisaasi n'agenda ekkoma mboga.
yes.
It's not very far from Kisasi because Vantwa don't Kumisatu.
Okay, when was this?
It was on Monday.
Yeah, last week.
Not syndicate the conversation, yes. Oh, this week DJ with the
fantastic. Omwana nga alinya boda. I'm not sure oba who paid it. Yasasulidde boda bagwe wagisasulidde.
Yes, he didn't pay for anything.
Okay. Omwana nga yeteekamu boda. Akwata ekkubo agenze akime ez'amata. Bwe yagenda okukima ez'amata batandika okunyumya. Enkuba etandika okutonya as fate would have it. Bannanga baali mu Kampala enkuba yatonya ku Monday.
It rained in the night from around like sawa nga mukaaga mpaka sawa nga 11-12. It was Sunday.
Enkuba ng'etandika okutonya as fate would have it. Enkuba nga etonya kati etonya egaano okukya nga Makona nga agezaako omusindikayo akagambo omuwala nga agaana. According to nenda balaga the conversation omuwala gyampadde Makona nga amwalira mu ntebe omuwala nga yeebaka Makona nga agenda mu kisenge. Of course, like every son of Pharaoh, they cannot get sleep.
Of course.
Banywamu kawaini awo.
Tebannanywa oba mwanywa.
Yeah, we took wine then we twamaliza okunywa wine.
Aleta strip oba nkwekebeza sirimu. Thank you Makona. Banange awo leka tuweeko ku Makona obugalo obw'amaanyi ennyo. Thank you. You took precaution. Thank you.